Hello and welcome to potato farming. Potatoes are one of the most important crops in the world, providing food and energy to billions of people. They are also a valuable cash crop for farmers, generating billions of dollars in revenue each year. So, what exactly is potato farming? In simple terms, it involves growing potatoes in the ground and harvesting them when they are ready. There are many different varieties of potatoes, each with its own unique characteristics and uses. One of the most important factors in potato farming is soil quality. Good soil is essential for growing healthy potatoes, which means keeping the soil fertile and well drained. This can be achieved through regular tilling, crop rotation, and using organic fertilizers. Another important aspect of potato farming is controlling pests and diseases. This can be done through a combination of cultural practices, such as crop rotation and using resistant varieties, and through the use of organic and synthetic pesticides. Potato harvesting is another key step in farming potatoes. This can be done using a variety of methods, including hand harvesting, machine harvesting, and using drones to scan the fields and pick the potatoes automatically. Finally, potato processing is the next step in the potato supply chain. This involves cutting and classifying the potatoes, removing any stems or foreign matter, and packaging the potatoes for distribution to consumers or processing into other products such as chips, cakes, and pasta. Overall, potato farming is a complex and important industry that provides food and energy to billions of people around the world. By investing in good soil, controlling pests and diseases, and using sustainable harvesting methods, farmers can produce healthy and high-quality potatoes that can be used to create a wide range of products.